What's up guys, in this video I will show you a one-stop shop investing platform that you guys could go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Wtcentral. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, Wtcentral's company reputation is actually built on a foundation of consistent results and personalized service for every client that they have. Now, by integrating creativity and innovation into its investment strategies, Wtcentral delivers tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of its clientele, and that commitment is actually to individualized attention that is combined with top-tier customer support and the trading platform's dedication to transparency, integrity, and accountability ensures a service that is both trustworthy and dependable. So those values guide every decision that is made within the company, which is reinforcing its commitment to excellence. And the customer-centric approach adopted by Wtcentral allows the firm to remain at the forefront of the financial industry, continuously evolving and adapting to the market trends while actually maintaining a focus on the sustainability and long-term growth. Now, with the focus on building a strong client relationship and delivering measurable outcomes, Wtcentral has actually remained committed to offering innovative financial strategies that is driven towards your success. Now, if you check on this one, guys, they have the address, okay, and the phone number as well as the email address that you need to contact in case you have any questions or anything like that while you are using their service. Now, let me also show you their page where it shows you why you want to choose them. So their main goal is to deliver the best and most transparent investing experience for retail and institutional clients. So you can go ahead and check this one out, guys. There's a lot of information that you could gather in their website. And of course, guys, just like what I always tell you, make sure to do your own research and know what you're getting yourself into. Now, before diving in to investing, I want you guys to, check out technical analysis first. If you are new to investing, that will increase the odds of you getting more profits than your losses. And just like any other trader, like even the professional traders also has their own losses, but since they are already versed in terms of doing technical analysis, they have like a good percentage, like maybe 70 to 80% success to getting more profit rather than losing their money. So as you can see here on your screen, guys, on the left side you have all. Okay, I've selected all. All right, so you could search whatever pair you want to do the investing on, and you could also specifically choose whether you want Forex, you want CFD, you want crypto indices, or whatever you want to trade. So let's say, for example, crypto. If you click on crypto, it will show you the available token, which is a ton, guys. There's a lot of crypto tokens that you could invest in. And if you click on this one and choose Forex, it will change that to the available Forex that you could do your trade. So that's very, very straightforward, guys. A lot of different things, and it will show up in here as well. Okay, so Euro to USD, so USD to Japanese Yen, USD to CHF, and you have this, guys. So you have the trading information, this is the real account. You have the equity and the balance, and you have different languages to choose from, which is very, very good because again, guys, they want to be able to cater as much people or as much traders around the world as they can. So they included different languages in there as well. All right, and let me also show you an article here that has been shown in Digital Journal. There's a lot of information that's talking about Wtcentral there. You could also include this in your research. That way you would know, what are the things that other people are talking about with Wtcentral before you even start investing. But again, guys, this is something that is worth checking because this is like a one-stop shop wherein you have different types of trading available. So if you are into crypto, you could do that crypto here. But since you already know how to trade crypto, you might also be interested in other types of trading, which you could go ahead and check out here as well. So they have the rates and fees here. So you could read through a lot of information about rates and fees in this page. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and show you additional articles that will be helpful for you when you do your own research. Like this is from Street Insider, which actually talks about Wcentral's launching of the AI-driven client portfolio. So it's talking about, the benefits of AI-driven client portfolios. You have commitment to innovation. And I know for a fact that you guys already heard about AI, and that is also one of the main reasons why I love Wtcentral, is because it is future-proof. It also included AI into its trading platform that will actually help you out in making sure that you do not miss out on any entries or exits for the trades that you are doing. Now, another one would be from Bar Charts, which actually talks about Wtcentral simplifying finance for users. So basically, I totally agree on what they are talking about. Now, this is a mouthful of text. I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check this one out. I will put the link to this one in the description of the video. That way, when you do your own research, head on to this one and read through the text or this entire article, which will definitely help you out in making a very informed decision with Wtcentral. Now, another one would be Julie Trome's website. So another article that has a good talk about what Wtcentral is, the company details, and the things that you really need to know about what Wtcentral is. Again, another good read for you to include when you do your own research. So the important links will be available in the description of the video, guys. Do go ahead and click on that. That way you could avoid any scam sites. And when you click on that, it will just take you directly to the website where you could, go ahead and do your own research. You could try it out. You could also, make your own account. That way you would be able to see what you have seen in this video. And guys, of course, make sure to stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your trading journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.